My grandfather is 85 years old and has a great secret against cholesterol. Goodbye to pharmacies. He told me the first thing you have to do is walk, even 15 minutes every day, feed you with vegetables, fruits, grains, lean meats, groceries of all kinds. Cholesterol causes you to have a heart attack, angina, stroke, thrombus anywhere, because the circulation is not working well, because the fat in the arteries obstruct the passage of blood. This is the remedy that has helped me survive all these years. I leave it for you to do it too. Home remedy that has given meaning to the life of my grandfather, has never become sick again, despite his many years of life. This treatment is economical, has no side effects, it removes all the toxics from the body, cleanses the kidneys, liver and circulatory system. This is my longevity secret. I'm going to leave you to live as many years as I do. The benefits of using this home remedy are many and excellent. It removes the fat from the bloodstream, lowers blood pressure. It rejuvenates, wiping out old cells as it contains lots of antioxidants. It takes the levels of triglycerides and cholesterol to the normal extent that do not harm the body. Ingredients: 4 garlic cloves crushed, the juice of 4 lemons, 1 liter of boiled water. Find a glass jar with a lid. Olive oil. Preparation: mix the ingredients and leave in the refrigerator for 3 days, then strain it and put it back in the glass container. This powerful mixture or remedy you can drink 3 times a day after each meal. This you can do for about 45 days and the year to do it again. You will remember, my son, you will never suffer from cardiovascular problems. I ask